The VAT extension identifies a Veeam Backup metadata file containing backup job configuration and tracking data for Veeam Backup and Replication. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these backup infrastructure files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the VAT error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. VAT files are metadata files for Veeam Backup and Replication, storing backup job tracking information, restore point catalogs, and backup chain metadata. They maintain the relationship between incremental backup files and enable the Veeam Backup infrastructure to manage restore operations. Veeam VAT files use a proprietary format, storing backup chain metadata, including restore point timestamps, change block tracking references, deduplication indexes, and backup file relationships for full incremental and reverse incremental backup chains. The application responsible for generating the VAT file is typically Veeam Backup and Replication by Veeam Software. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows provides limited support for complex indexing formats, so proper reading requires catalog tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your VAT file and click Open With. If Veeam Backup and Replication is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If your V8 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, understanding VAT files. VAT files are automatically managed by the Veeam Backup and Replication server. They reside in the backup repository alongside VBK full backup and VIB incremental backup files. They are critical for backup chain integrity and restore point navigation. Next, repairing backup chains. If VAT files become corrupted, use Veeam's extract utility to recover data from backup files directly. In the Veeam console, use configuration, then backup repositories, then rescan to rebuild VAT metadata from existing backup files in the repository. Finally, managing repository health. Regularly check backup repository health in the Veeam console under Backup Infrastructure. Run Sure Backup verification jobs to test restore capability. Monitor VAT file sizes and backup chain lengths. Perform periodic active full backups to reset incremental chains. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.